welcome back to my channel. Baby, I know y'all looking at me like, sis, where you been? A bitch was depressed. Okay, like depressed. I mean, I don't really want to call it depressed, but I do think I have a bit of seasonal depression, and I was just going through a lot of doubt, worry, fear, you know, things like that. And I, you know, just decided today that I was gonna overcome it, put on some makeup, videotape it, you know, like, okay. Push past that fear. I am here to show you my new foundation that I bought. It's by Bounce. Well, it's called the Bounce Foundation by Beauty Blender. I think this is actually a really good foundation. It definitely has a bit of an oxidation, so I would definitely be careful with that. Like, if you were to go into the store and try it on, I would try it on, walk around, look at other things first, and then come back and decide whether this is the color that you wanted. I picked this color on my own, and if I do say so myself, I did that. It was $20 on the Sephora website and their website. The only thing that I don't really like is that it's kind of like on the like thing, so I have to, you know, you have to like be very, very sanitary with this. See how it applies. Just definitely keep watching. I also use some new products. First, I'm going in with the FENTY matte primer, and then, baby, look at that foundation, okay? Doesn't really match my face because my face is a lot more warmer than my body, which is very much more neutral, but the foundation matches my body, and I think that's like, it'll be a beautiful summer foundation. Like, can you tell I have on foundation right now? Like, can you tell I have on foundation right now? This shit looks like my skin. So I'm using the inner corner and then outer wing method. I definitely think it does grab my face up a little bit better, pulls it back a little more, and gives me more of like that sleeker kind of face. So definitely take that into account in the way in which you're applying your concealer, because it can definitely either bring your face down or bring your face up. This got tired right there. Y'all seen that? So now I'm going in with this new black Radiance powder that I found. I also found this at CVS. Yes, I went to CVS and spent all of my money. So what? I love this powder. I am a Fit Me go-to, but this powder just blends with my skin a little bit smoother. If you notice, it's just definitely different. Gives me a different glow. Definitely like more, I don't know, I guess you would say closer to my skin tone, but it's beautiful. And I'm just going all over with my Fit Me in the color Deep Dark. And baby, guess what I found? I found my favorite bronzer color, also by Black Radiance. I found this in the whitest part of town. They had all the dark shades. I was screaming. I bought all of them. This is what I've been using. I used this all through college when I lived by a Walmart. However, for some reason, you cannot find Black Radiance anywhere. So right now, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette in my crease. I love this palette. She remastered it, and I don't know what the remaster is like, but I lived for this palette. First, I'm going in with a pink shade. I'm using it as a transition shade. Not really a transition shade, but I'm getting that pink color on there because I don't know, I was feeling pink that day. Then I go in with an even darker brown to go on the outer side, kind of like the wing of the crease, if that makes sense. Y'all, I'm sorry, I didn't catch the pat of the bright pink on the lid. Then I'm going in with those same colors I used on the top crease to go on the bottom lid. And then how you know I'm finished with an eyeshadow look? A little gold on the inner corners, of course. So now I'm going in with my beautiful Raisin color of a blush that I always use. I swear I'm gonna get some more blushes so that I can show you guys some more looks. I definitely went a little crazy with the blush, so all you have to do is take a beauty blender with a little bit of your foundation on it and you pat the blush into your skin. So you just pat until it kind of neutralizes the color. These are my favorite brand of lashes. You can get them at the beauty supply store. I love this brand so much. I literally did not have any lashes left. So I found some lashes that I had in the back of my little storage unit. And now just some mascara to put on my lashes so I can put my fake lashes on top of them. A little Vaseline on the lips to loosen up that foundation. And I'm doing the bottom lashes, getting those all pretty, because it definitely adds a little bit of oomph to the eyeshadow look. And now I'm just doing the lip combo that I've always done. A little bit of eyeshadow lip liner and then a butter gloss to go on top. I was really indecisive about what lip gloss I was going to use. I used this Flutter Butter lip gloss that I had. Then you just blend that all in like I do. Maybe go around the corners again to deepen up that lip liner. I was struggling, y'all. Look at my cute ass lip print. Like, okay? Like, look at that cute ass lip print. I don't know if it's that cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did a look of little baby hairs, or I like tried, I don't know, but this is the finished look. I'm gonna go film a try on haul right now. Maybe I should get dressed. Alright, hold on. I appreciate everyone who supports me. Like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, do something so I know you're watching, so I know I'm not talking to myself, even though I feel like I am talking to myself right now, but I'm not. I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, thank you. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.